Bellwether offers high-quality siding and window replacement services throughout the Denver metro area, including Lakewood and Arvada. Our teams have been expertly installing siding and windows in Lakewood and Arvada since 2017, and we have come to know and love all that makes West Denver special. The mid-century inspired properties draw on nearby foothills' rustic natural beauty, full of busy families and professionals who appreciate community-mindedness, high style, and low-maintenance homes that reflect their lifestyles. Lakewood and Arvada offer the best of urban excitement, mountain beauty, and suburban comfort, and your home siding should reflect that variety and ease. But like all Colorado communities, the climate can take a toll on a home, racking up the list of to-dos and concerns when it comes to your home exterior protection. Snowy winters and baking sun can create quick temperature shifts, which threaten many siding products, and especially the wood siding materials common in Lakewood and Arvada neighborhoods. So instead, we love to recommend James Hardie Fiber Cement Siding to homeowners looking for the ultimate protection with little maintenance. Because James Hardie Fiber Cement Siding functions in any weather, without warping, softening, peeling, or cracking. Living beneath the foothills brings a special rugged charm to city living in Arvada and Lakewood, but that also comes with increased risk. When wildfire season strikes mountain and rural communities, Lakewood and Arvada are near the affected areas. Thankfully, James Hardie Fiber Cement Siding has a Grade A fire rating which shields homes from the threat of spark or flame. And at Bellwether, we also are experts in window installation and offer double and triple paned windows which add fire protection. Knowing James Hardie Fiber Cement Siding provides the best protective shell for your Lakewood or Arvada home, you can focus on style, which we know comes in droves in the West Denver area. Whether you've purchased a mid-century beauty in the Applewood neighborhood or a 50s-inspired bungalow near Old Town Arvada, James Hardie Fiber Cement Siding can be customized to achieve any style you want. A composite of cement and cellulose fibers, Fiber Cement Siding is factory pressed into any siding profile. From traditional lap siding to popular board and batten, Fiber Cement Siding is the best way to reach ultimate design for your home. And since James Hardie comes in over 700 color options, all protected by Color Plus technology, you can take your design vision even further and become the most beautiful house on the block. Our respectful and professional team members are with you every step of building your dream home. With offices near Lakewood and Arvada, we can quickly schedule an initial assessment, then provide you with a full proposal that includes the evaluation, recommendations, and how you can accomplish your design goals with siding products and windows aesthetically and functionally suited to your neighborhood. When you sign a contract, we schedule immediately, navigating any permits and materials ordering so that you can relax and dream about your new home siding. Siding replacement isn't just about repairing damaged siding, and other siding contractors who don't fully understand the needs of Colorado homes might not be able to make recommendations based on local trends, needs, and climate. At Bellwether, we want to help you create your forever home, and this includes protection and beauty. Communities like Lakewood and Arvada were created for comfortable life in beautiful spaces. So it's important to choose quality siding products that will achieve your design goals and last a lifetime with little maintenance. We have a long list of satisfied customers in the Lakewood and Arvada areas who will vouch for our expertise in siding products, siding and window installation, and home design. Choosing Bellwether for your siding and window replacement in Lakewood or Arvada means choosing an expert team of locals who understand your lifestyle and your goals, and who want you to fall in love with your home again.